Today, there's a profound message from God specifically for you, a divine heads up about someone close to you who might not be acting in your best interests. It's essential for your well-being that you become aware of this. God is making a deliberate effort to reach out to you from the heavens, hoping to grab your attention because someone nearby is misleading you and betraying your trust. He wants you to recognize this truth on your own. Visualize the infinite expanse of the universe, filled to the brim with God's nurturing presence. He observes everything, nothing escapes his watchful eye. This includes the myriad challenges and potential perils that lay on your path. God's unwavering commitment to your protection is palpable. Imagine a warm, powerful voice descending through the clouds, calling out your name with deep concern and sincerity. This voice, driven by a profound desire to safeguard you, is not meant to alarm, but to awaken your senses and motivate you to be more vigilant. Now is the time to enhance your alertness and harness your wisdom. God communicates with us in various forms, and this voice from above is a critical signal indicating something of great importance. It's a reminder for you to remain watchful and to approach all relationships with caution. He is urging you to be discerning, to pick up on the subtle signs of deception, and to scrutinize the sincerity of those you interact with. This communication from God is no mere reminder. It is a powerful summons to scrutinize your environment and the individuals within it meticulously. It encourages you to trust your instincts and seek His guidance when uncertainty looms. Remember, in the cosmic tapestry, where every star and planet is meticulously held in God's gaze, you too are under His constant, loving watch. As you navigate the complexities of daily life, keep this divine message close to your heart. Let it guide your decisions and interactions. Consider it a gentle nudge, not just to protect your own heart, but to extend your vigilance and care to those around you. Staying attuned to this divine wisdom equips you better to tackle life's complexities with a renewed sense of confidence and peace. In essence, this divine communication is a beacon of light, illuminating your path with clarity and love. It is an invitation to live with an open heart, prepared to receive and act upon the guidance that comes from above. This message from God serves as your guide. You are never truly alone or without direction. Embrace this divine connection and let it inspire you to proceed with strength and grace. Remember, when someone lies to you or disappoints you, it's natural to feel upset and confused. These emotions can be challenging, but it's crucial to remain composed and not let your emotions overwhelm you. Pay close attention to the warning signs you've perceived and start contemplating ways to protect your peace and happiness. During these uncertain times, having a conversation with God can be incredibly comforting. Talk to Him about your concerns, ask for His guidance on how to proceed, and seek His protection against further harm. God is always there for you, offering His support and listening to your worries. Trust in His presence in your life. He is looking out for you and has a plan to help you navigate through these challenges. Once you've recognized the warning and feel ready, it's time to piece the puzzle together. Pay attention to the little clues that might suggest someone isn't being completely honest with you. Reflect on your relationships and observe the actions and behaviors of those around you. This is your opportunity to be extra alert and mindful of how others treat you and whether their intentions are genuine. Don't stop there after noticing these signs. Think about how you can respond in a way that protects your well-being. It might mean having frank conversations with the people involved, or perhaps taking some time away to think things through. Remember, it's okay to set boundaries with others to safeguard your heart and peace of mind. In addition to leaning on God, surround yourself with positive people who genuinely care about you. Friends and family members who want the best for you can provide the support and advice you need at this time. They can be a sounding board for your feelings and help you see things from a different perspective. This period in your life might be challenging, but it's also a chance for personal growth and learning. With God's guidance and the support of your loved ones, you can navigate this situation with grace and strength. Keep believing in yourself and the path God has laid out for you. Through prayer, reflection, and thoughtful action, you'll discover the right way forward. Remember, every challenge is not just an obstacle, but a profound opportunity to fortify your faith and trust in God's perfect plan for your life. As you walk through each moment, know that you are never alone. God is there with you at every step, providing His unwavering love and protection. Embrace this period of your life as an essential journey of healing, personal growth, and spiritual enlightenment, guided by the divine light of God's wisdom and compassion toward a future filled with peace and fulfillment. God's love for you is endless and unchanging. He calls out your name from the heavens, not just as a guardian, but as a loving Father concerned about keeping you from harm's way. He has seen the challenges you face and understands them completely, recognizing your inner strength and the courage you possess to tackle these obstacles head-on. Feel a sense of pride and honor in the immense faith God has in you, and as you consider His divine warnings, recognize the importance of surrounding yourself with those who truly understand and support you.